Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to write an expression in derived column transformation to split name column from the source document into three parts and load it into SQL table. So first of all, I will show my source document, and this is my SQL table. It can table name is person name. Right now there are no records, but it has four columns. If you observe ID, first name, middle name, and last name. So coming to my source document. So this is my source document. It contains just two columns, ID and name, which is comma delimited. So there are five records are there, but the name field, if you observe, name is every name is has three parts of this name. So I want to load this record, the names into this table by first name, middle name, and last name. So this is the first name, and this is the middle name, and this is the last name. Like that, I want to split the data from this source document by using derived column. So coming to this package, I am taking new package. First, I am dragging the data flow task into the control flow. Double click to configure. Since my document is the text document, I'm dragging the plot file source. So double click. So browse for your source document. My source document is person and columns here. Only two columns there. So everything is perfect. No need to change any changes. So if you see my structure of the person underscore name table here, so there are four columns. ID is integer and first name is varchar and middle name, last name. All these three varchar data types. I am dragging the derived column transformation. So derived column, what it does actually, it creates new column. It creates a new column by writing the expression to change the existing column. So here I am connecting the flat file source to derived column. Double click. So here you observe these two are the columns from my source document. Now I want to write an expression on name column. First you need to drag your name column into expression field, and this you need to mention your name. Here there is add new column. Yes, we want to create a new column. For that I am taking name as first name. So here what is the expression we need to write? I will show it here. You know substring functions. Substring is the function, it picks um, part of the string. So by using substring here, once again I'm showing my data here. In the name column, if you want to split uh, three three parts, the name, if you want to split in three parts, first we need to find the space between first name and last name. For that, I am using here substring function. Substring actually takes three parameters. One is character or expression. So instead of character and expression, I am taking as name. I am taking as a name, and afterwards it asks the starting position. So I want to pick from this first name onwards. That is S onwards. That means I am taking the start position as 1. Start position as 1. And finally length. Here length is also here the integer. We need to provide integer. So here instead of giving direct length, here I want to search for space. I want to search for space in this string. In SQL, there is a function called char index function. By using char index, you can find out the space or comma whatever you want from the whatever you required from a particular string. So here we want to search for space. So for that, here there is no char index. So I am using this FindString function. The FindString returns the position of the character. That is also integer. So by using the FindString, so here I am giving one more time name. It takes three parameters. I am taking name as first parameter, and it is asking for second for which you want to search here. I want to search here for space. For that, I am giving within double quotes space like this. So if you want to search for comma, you need to specify within double quotes comma. But here the string contains just space. There is no comma or pipe delimited. Just space. So I am giving comma, sorry, space. And third parameter here is occurrence. So here the space occurred in the string. The space occurred two times. The space here occurred two times. So I am searching here for first space. So first occurrence. For that, I just gave the occurrence as 1. This is the string expression. I copied the whole expression, paste it in notepad. Yeah, first I am using the substring function. Substring takes three parameters. First is expression, and second one is the starting position. I want to search for from first character onwards. So first character of the name onwards. So afterwards, it is asking this entire portion is the length. Instead of length, also we need to give integer. Instead of that, I am taking the FindString function, and I gave the parameter details for in the FindString as the name, and I am searching here for space because my string contains space. Name column has two spaces. The three parts of the name contains two spaces. So here I am searching for first occurrence of the space. So this is the expression to get the first name. To get the first name. So if you want to test whether this is correctly right or not, I am just click OK here. I am using multicast transformation instead of loading just for checking purpose. I am connecting the derived column with multicast. Forget here to enable the data viewer. See here, ID and M. These two are the we are getting from the source document. This is the this column we derived from the derived column. So I write this expression like this: substring name by using substring function. So we need to get the uh, first name from the given name column. If I change this expression by 2 in derived column, so what will happen? So I just change. This is occurrence. Uh, Earlier we need to search for space of the first space. Now I am picking the I am changing it to 2. So here I need to search for second space occurrence. Click OK and run again. See here, when we change this find string parameter from first occurrence to second occurrence, so entire the till second space it will consider the first name. So this is the difference for first occurrence and second occurrences. At the time of the giving the find string function, I'm deleting this multicast. I'm writing this expression for middle name. Here for middle name, we need to take this entire expression. Change back to 1. I'm taking the entire expression again, and now find string function one more time. Find string, find string name, and again it is I'm searching for space, and here I'm searching for second space. So by writing this, so here I'm taking find string of the name of the space of second, and I'm subtracting from second to first one. From second to first one. First one means I am taking again this one, go back to end, and I am just changing it to first one. From second space to first space I am subtracting. So here this is the take care everything. So even one space missing, it will throw. You need to check everything. Yeah, now it's perfect. So once the red mark is gone, then your expression is correct. So here I'm explaining this one again. This is the first one. This is the second one. So here I am using the substring function. Substring, it will take three parameters. First is the name, and second one is starting position. From which position I want to search here? From this position. From in first position we already written the function. So I am taking the same function again, and here I am subtracting for third parameter in substring is the length. What is the length here? I am taking the length of the namespace from the starting. From that, I'm subtracting the length of the namespace of the first occurrence, from second occurrence to first occurrence. So this is how the you need to get the middle name. And finally, I am writing expression for last name. Last name also, you need to write the same expression. Till now it is same, and here you need to mention two, and afterwards you need to write len of the name, len function, len of the name minus len of the name minus space of the second occurrence. That means find string name of the space of second occurrence. This is the last name. So here I am explaining again the last how to get the last name from the full name here. So again we use this substring function. So name in middle name we need to search for first space, but in for last name you need to search for second space. After that, len of the name, they taking the whole length of the name and deducting the find string name of space. So if this space second occurrence space, you need to deduct from the length of the name to get the last name. So this is the expression for last name. So everything is right. You see data type here. Data type here is the Unicode string WSTR DTWSTR. That means envarchar type. So here I am deleting this one. Now I am dragging the OLDB destination to load the data into the person underscore name table. Sample is my database. Here table here I am searching. Here is person underscore. So if you go and check the mappings, so I am taking the first name. Since we all these three are input columns are the new columns from the by getting the derived column transformation. That's why I'm changing Uh, As per the source statement, there are only two columns, but by using the derived column transformation, we created three columns separately to map the destination column. Still, it is showing error. Why? What happened? If you go and check the mappings, find one error here. In the mappings, I already shown my database structure is varchar, but at the time of the derived column, you will get the this is the data type for SQL table, and if you see, this is the data type for derived column. So we need to take data conversion. For the time being, I'm disconnecting this one and dragging the data conversion transformation. So double click and select all columns here, and skip this one because in output there is no name column here, only four columns. I'm changing the ID column to integer because compatibility is 4 bytes signed integer type in my destination table. See here, ID int, remaining are varchar with 20 length. So Unicode string from WTSTR to DTSTR. Change the length to 20. Like that, other column WSTR. This is also, and click OK. Now you connect the data conversion to your OLDB destination. Double click, go to map, select every column of copy of ID. Here, copy of first name, copy of middle name, and copy of last name. So this is the package. So everything is perfect. Now after running the package, so database in source document, this is the name, but every name is split and getting loaded into destination column with first name, middle name, and last name. So I am running the package now. Yeah, go and check your table. See here, ID, first, last name, and first name, middle name, and last name. The only logic here you need to understand is how to split the uh, name column in writing the expression. Just use the substring and FindString logic. If you understand the first string and substring and FindString logic, you need to easily understand the how to get the. Sometimes you may get the records from the clients or third-party vendors like this format. Your destination columns are more when you compare with the source document columns. At this, we need to separate. We need to create new columns by writing these expressions like this. So hope this video to understand how to split the string into three parts and load it into the table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.